Welcome back, ladies, to Females in Finance. I'm Elisabeth Dawson, and I wanted to talk to you about a friend of mine reached out to me and asked me a question because she's aligned with a lot of different ladies out there. She's a women-owned business owner, but she had some ladies that she was talking to that are stay-at-home moms. And these moms really didn't have a value in their mind because their husbands are kind of taking care of everything. But I'll tell you what I wrote her back, and I said, let's say the husband is working and earning about $350,000 a year. He's age 40, and basically he has an economic value that's far higher than probably the amount of life insurance that he has on his life. So over 27 years, in a ballpark of about a 2% increase in pay, he has a net worth or a net value, what we call a human economic value, of about $11 to $12 million. Most people think that they might have $1 million life insurance policy and it's going to protect their spouse in the event that they pass. Well, think about this. If we don't have any value that's placed on the woman in the household, we need to think twice because she has just as much of an economic value to keeping that house running the way that you've both designed to raise your children, to educate them, to clothe them, to feed them, to do all the things that you want done in your home. So her economic value for replacement when it comes to life insurance is about half of what his is. So if it's between 11 and 12 million, she would be at a $5 to $6 million maximum amount of insurance coverage that she could get, which would be about 50% of her husband's. So what my friend Tara was telling me, she goes, well, so many women think that they don't need it, but in the event that something were to happen to them, their husband's definitely going to need it. And what we've found too is that the average husband is not actually owning as much insurance as they should. They may be owning $350,000 to $500,000 or whatever offered at their employer. They're not thinking about this $10 to $11 to $12 million worth of protection to protect that income to come back in the household so that their wife or their spouse or their significant other can continue to do the things that they have designed to raise their family the way they wanted to, and also to take care of bills and things of that nature. So if you're looking for your human economic value, believe me, you have one. Even if you don't think you do, it's time to make that calculation a reality. So give us a call. We'll help you out with this. 619-640-2622. The information provided in this show is for informational and educational purposes only. This show is not investment advice, nor is it intended to address the financial needs of any particular viewer. The opinions expressed on this show are not intended to be an endorsement of any particular investment strategy or service of any other kind. You must make an independent decision regarding investments or strategies mentioned throughout the show. Before acting on information in this show, you should consider whether it is suitable for your particular situation and strongly consider seeking advice from a financial advisor.